back to our channel. This is Prachi Tiwari for SME Futures, and today we are diving deep into India's most dynamic industry, the footwear sector. India is the second largest producer of footwear after China, and it plays a pivotal role in the leather industry. So stay tuned as we uncover the secret behind the success and the future potential. To get an insider's perspective, let's talk to the manufacturers and what they have to say about the sector.
This is where it gets a bit challenging because the product made for India is not the same as the product made for USA. So what we do is we make sure we have the correct capacity to cater to both markets, and we have dedicated facilities for the export market as well as the Indian market. Even the raw material pipelines are different, everything is different. But there's sufficient capacity in India as a whole for the country to cater to the domestic demand as well as the export demand.
The foreign investment has also increased, like the Nike has set up a new manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu. So the technology that they're coming in India, it's gradually coming from the international players to the Indian players also. So the new technology that is being followed by the domestic brands, they are able to compete with the international brands.
जो हमारे वेस्ट हो रहे थे उनको हमने सबको कम करके उसको हमने वापस रीयूज़ करना चालू कर दिया सारा। हम उसको पहले हम उसको ले ऑफ कर देते थे, अब हम कुछ ले ऑफ नहीं करते, सब कुछ उसको सस्टेनेबिलिटी एज हम उसको पूरा अपना यूज़ कर रहे हैं एकदम पूरा।
This industry is very technical. It requires a lot of raw materials, chemicals, etc. It's not a complete loop. Not everything is made in India. As much as the government is encouraging made in India, not everything is made in India. A lot of things are sourced from abroad, which is not easy given the duty or the freight wars that are happening. So if the government can promote other industries so that the whole cycle of raw materials are made in India, that would be a big benefit to us.
एक्सपोर्ट्स के अंदर गवर्नमेंट हमें जितना सपोर्ट करे पॉलिसी वाइज, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के लिए जितनी हेल्प हो, जितनी उनकी फाइनेंसिंग में हेल्प हो, जितनी उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी अपग्रेडेशन में हेल्प हो, उतनी होनी चाहिए। उससे हमारा एक्सपोर्ट्स इंक्रीज होगा।
So next, let's hear from the association perspective what they have to say about this sector.
India, traditionally we are very strong in leather, and in leather we are doing good. But when we see the trend, global trend, the leather footwear consumption is declining. So world over, the leather footwear consumption has declined, and it is only 60% now. And in India, 89% of the footwear manufactured is non-leather. So we have good export, but if we want to grow further, we need to focus on non-leather also.
From net importer, we have become the net exporter, not only in the shoe, but in the components also. Most of the components, they were being imported, now they are exported also.
You see, we have to develop new products which are at par with the international standards, but at a price even our nearest competitor cannot imagine. This is between the close association between a footwear manufacturer and a raw material supplier. This is very important because we have to move hand in hand. A vendee and a vendor has to look to each other, not as a competitor or as a supplier. They need to look as a family member.
So the demand is increasing because earlier the footwear was only necessity. Now it has become a fashion statement for the millennials and the Gen Z category. So the consumption automatically will increase. The export potential is high. And when we see the average consumption now, it is less than 2, it is only 1.9. But the global average is 3.1, and in developed countries it is 7+.
It is estimated that the per capita consumption of Indian footwear is about 1.8 annum, and it is going to increase to about 4.5 to 5 pairs per annum per capita.
Government is not issuing visa to the Chinese national. So we are unable to import the new technology as the engineer cannot visit India and install the new machinery. And if we go for the European machinery, it is 3 to 4 times costlier than the Chinese machinery, and it will make us non-competitive in the market.
India's footwear industry is a vibrant and evolving sector poised for substantial growth. With a strong domestic market, increasing exports, and continuous innovation, the future looks bright. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such insights from the world of business and industry.